I'm back in the jail, and today I am walking to go home to see my new little puppy. I love my little puppy. I love my little puppy. Her name is Sherry. She's only 1 year old. So I want you guys to meet her. Little Shake Shake. So that's where I live. South Carolina, Somerville. And I am 10. Okay, I'm shaking pine cones. Good. Look both ways. Maybe you guys can look at me. Any cars? Okay, yep, there's a car. No. Car? Okay, looks like that car is being nice. And I think it's go. No, we gotta show everybody my little puppy. Puppy. So we're approaching. You cannot sort of see her through the window, but Daddy's not so bad. What is cool? It's like pollen just exploded. So there we go. You want to be a good girl? Want to be a good girl? Come here, Easy. See, let's be a good girl. Huh? I'm gonna get this little treat. Say, Mom, with your puppy. No, Jay, you're okay, Jay, quickly. Yo, you my little puppy. Wait, that's what I believe. There she is. You're a very nice little puppy, aren't you? Everybody. Love you, little puppy. So that was my new dog. I know it's been a short video, but I just want to go shake my new little puppy. She is so cute. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Well, there we go. Well, I hope you guys leave a like and subscribe. And if you want more videos about my little puppy, then just leave a comment below in this description below. So please leave a like, and if this is your first time watching me, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.